Hello everyone, in this beautiful video I'm going to show you how to display a pop-up message in your Microsoft Excel. So it's different like a comment, like for instance if I put a comment here, for instance here there'll be something which is popping up like this one. No, I'm going to show you in a simple way where I'll just put a pop-up message. So how to do it, you just need to go to your data here, data validation. By clicking data validation, then go to input message. This is where you put your message. For instance, please type the ranking, okay? Then you can put a title here, maybe ranking, okay? Then put this, then you press OK. That means, you see, it appears. It doesn't give any any disturbance on the viewer. So when just you hover it around here, you see, please type a ranking. So you can always put it here. You can add those pop-up message for your case in different rankings. So this is the way of actually displaying a pop-up message, or like a shout out balloon message which is not fixed actually, for your Microsoft Excel, so that it gives you a proper look. So you can always just remove it, go back to data validation here, right click, then after having it, then clear all, then pressing OK. That means it is removed already. So thank you. Make sure to subscribe for more marvelous videos like this. Gracias.